Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you are living in Denmark, especially in Copenhagen. I just moved my old house to new house. Initially, I am living in apartment. Recently, I purchased in villa here in Copenhagen city. So here, mover and packer services also available. I call multiple mover and packer services, and so many expensive as an hourly basis like 700, 600 and 500 is a common number for Danish krona per hour. But one of the South Indian guy, he started his company here, SS Global Services. He is very cheap, affordable, like a 350 Danish krona, including he helping you to put your stuff in the tempo and remove your stuff from tempo to outside. Now I will tell you his website, SSN Global Services. So this is a website, and the website are providing you all information like a contact related information. I already added this link in video description as well. And here how many problems the SSN Global Services are fixed, like a transportation, electrician, carpenter, plumbing, furniture assemble, garden, cleaning, packing and dropping. I'm using this service. Painting works, house renovation works, so many facilities they are providing, and compared to other company, this one is very cheap and affordable as a my personal experience. So I use this one, like I pay 350 Danish krona is affordable. Otherwise other company are told me like a 700, 500 is a common number here, Danish krona. So this is a company, this is a website of this one, contact detail. Now we will meet original person. He is a Venkatesh. If you are living in Denmark, Copenhagen or other places, he is providing you home shifting. Look at this. I bring stuff, and he told us what is the charges of the hourly.
350 DKK excluding moms.
Okay. So if you want take services from him, in the video description all information is available. And your company name is
SSN Global Service.
SSS Global Service.
So we will do all type of work, like all handyman works, gardening work, terrace cleaning, roof cleaning,
Okay.
painting, carpentering, electrician works and small renovation works.
Okay.
So everything available.
Yeah. All in one combo pack. If you contact with this person, number is available on video description. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.